Hello everyone, my name is Zenia Rizqin, class 8I, episode 32. Before making fried noodles, prepare the ingredients and cooking tools. Ingredients: fried noodles, seaweed, and egg. Utensils: saucepan, spoon, fork, plate, and filter. First, pour the water in the saucepan. Dirty the water with a burning fire. Enter the noodles with water that has been heated. Then pour in the eggs. Throw away the water when the noodles are cooked. Put the seasoning on the plate. Pour the noodles into the plate that has been put in the seasoning. Stir the noodles until smooth. Add fried onions. And lastly, add seaweed, and here comes the finished noodles.